Here at the end of the trail, how could I come all this way, only just to fail? Now where do I go? I've tried all that I know. Don't think there's any more I can do.
Come on, everyone. We can do this. Work together.
But now I think I see there's more to this journey than me. So if I have to, I'll move along in a group where I belong. With my friends, I know I won't be alone. With my friends, we'll find a path that I can't find on my own. Maybe this journey won't end today, but with my friends it'll be okay. With my friends, it begins and ends. With my friends.
Bubbling boilers!
Hold it, Sonny! Back off! Come, Sonny, where do you think you're going?
Oh, excuse me. I was just trying to...
Get on somebody's house like you own it. Harry, hooting around them woods while waking up folks in the middle of the night?
I honestly didn't know anybody lived here. And I...
Well, you know it now. Now, get off my property. Go on. Beat it.
I've been watching you, sir. You can stay with me if you want to.
That's very nice of you.
Heck, come with me.